Hello, you're looking at my two Stihl whippersnippers or weed whackers, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and also clean the spark arrestor on these two machines. So the spark arrestor is located inside the exhaust section of the machine, and you can see that little round circular hole there. That's where the spark arrestor is, and it's just held on with a nut. So all I need to do is remove that nut, and out will come the spark arrestor. So I've got my socket there. It's got a 15mm socket on the end. I've got an extension handle and a handle there, and I'm just going to push that into the back of the machine there until it locks into that nut, and then turn it anti-clockwise to loosen that nut and hole part that contains the spark arrestor. So diving in there with my fingers now to finish it off, and out comes the spark arrestor, which is just that metal grill section that's on the end of that nut. And you can see that there, that's just all black and it's all clogged there, so that needs to be cleaned. And that spark arrestor, if it's all clogged like that, that can affect the performance of the weed whacker or the whippersnipper. So it's always good to take those out, check them, and clean them if they're dirty. Okay, so I'll put that spark arrestor in the glass jar, ready to clean it, or ready to start the cleaning process. Okay, so now I'll remove the spark arrestor from the second machine. So it's the same process, and yep, here we go, just loosening that nut. Diving in with my fingers to remove the nut with the spark arrestor attached. There we go, you can see daylight through that spark arrestor. It's still a bit black, but you can see that that's not too bad, that one. But I'll put that in the glass jar as well to begin the cleaning process. Now I found that oven cleaner, heavy duty oven cleaner, is a good way to clean these spark arrestors. So pop off get the cap off. There we go. Give it a bit of a shake. Yeah, give it a shake, and then start spraying inside the glass jar. And I'll keep spraying until I've fully covered both of those spark arrestors with that oven cleaner. Okay, so there we go. Both those spark arrestors are completely covered now with the oven cleaner. Okay, so it's been about a day now since I covered those spark arrestors with the oven cleaner, and the oven cleaner's turned a sort of a brownie sort of a shade. So it's time to dig out those spark arrestors and start the rest of the cleaning process. Okay, let's grab my long nose pliers and pull out the first spark arrestor. So there's the just with that first one. I actually should have worn gloves at this point. I just got carried away with making the video and forgot to put my gloves on. But I'd highly recommend you wear gloves when you're touching that oven cleaner, and just get a little wire brush there. That's what I'm doing, is a wire brush, and all that black gunk is coming straight off there with a wire brush. Okay, and I'll get the next one out now. Okay, give that second one a good going with the wire brush to remove all that black stuff from the outside of the spark arrestor. So definitely I should have worn gloves at this point. So yeah, I'd recommend you put plastic gloves on if you're handling that oven cleaner. So the next step is just to put them on the spark arrestors on a tap and run some water through, and just sort of try and flush the oven cleaner and all the junk and stuff that's in there out of the middle of those spark arrestors. And then finally, I've used my pressure washer just to give those spark arrestors, the mesh part of it, a good blast with the pressure washer, just to remove the last of that black stuff. Good idea to hold them with a pair of pliers like that, so you don't get your fingers anywhere near that blast of water, because you don't want to get your skin near the blast of water. It'll take the skin straight off. And then just rotate the spark arrestor around. You might have to move it around in the pliers a bit, so you're getting it from all the angles with your the blast from the water blaster. Okay, so after those 3 steps, you should have some really clean spark arrestors. I'm holding those up to the sunlight now, and you can see you can't see any of that black gunk in there anymore. All you just see is the mesh from the spark arrestors, and you see blue sky between or through those spark arrestors through the mesh there. So there we go. That's a simple and good way to clean spark arrestors. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.